The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And very good Friday morning to you all. Stephen, James, Ray, Jeff, Jacques. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Rich, Victor. Good morning, Todd. Very early morning. Randy, Sue, Caleb, Chris. Guys, good morning. Today is Friday. There is the 8 a.m. bell. We have non-farm payrolls today, fellas. We will not be doing anything until 8:30. I did put a short on crew. Good morning, Keith. I did, Chris. Good morning, Yannick, John. I did put a trade short on crude in member Skype, if you guys saw it. I'm not sure if anybody paid attention, but crude is short. First target trying to get to 39. I have no bots on. Nothing is running at this point, guys. We will wait till after non-farm payrolls. I think the expected number is somewhere around 1 million jobs created, which is pretty big. And if it's a beat, I would think the markets come down. If it's a miss, I think we go higher. In any event, we'll sit around until non-farm payrolls. Volume is light as of yet. Gotta love stimulus, no question. Yesterday I went to the store and to grab grocery store to grab 3 steaks. And what I used to pay about $21 for 2 steaks, I paid $27 for 2 yesterday. $27. I had to buy 3, but $27 for 2. They were $21, $8, $19. Yeah, there's no inflation. Don't worry about it. Everything's good. It's all good. It's all good. They're gonna crush the middle class. Hey, Chris, what's this rumor I hear that you guys may be coming up to visit me, or over, or whatever it is, up and over? Yeah, it's transitory until everybody's broke from buying eggs. That'd be awesome, man. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. Yes, it is, Tommy. Yeah, I'd like that a lot, Chris. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. NASDAQ's headed to 15. It better bounce there. Thank you, Becky. You as well. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. Let's see, Gary, you're a beef producer and losing $100 a head. Processors are $700. Geez. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Guys, just some quick housekeeping. Good morning, Deepak. If you are in the Thursday order flow class, the video was sent yesterday. If for some reason you do not have yesterday's class video, which was exceptional, I think, please email me. I will send you the video. Today's Friday order flow class. Thank you, Derek. I thought it was a great class. Today's order flow class at 12 noon. I have sent the link yesterday. If you do not have today's link for Friday's class, please send me an email, and when I close the room, I will, of course, send the link for class today. Today is the last day of this current room link. Beginning on Monday, this is more applicable to newer members. Beginning on Monday, there will be a new room link, which will be in the member area. That is where you get the new room link for the next 2-week segment. Okay, this link expires. So don't email me on Monday, say I didn't get an invite. I don't respond to those. Tomorrow, Saturday, Dr. Dean will be doing bot education for those of you that are interested. I have sent out 2 emails. I will send one more today. I know he's posted it in Skype, but if you're interested in attending bot education, you can reach out to Dean, or you can reach out to me and I'll forward the email. He will be doing education, I believe, at 9 a.m. I will not be in town. I think that's about all we got. If anybody has any questions, stories, jokes, singing and dancing, we're not doing anything for 24 minutes. Not until non-farm payrolls. All right. Let's see here, guys. You know, listen, here is the hang on one second. I have mixed emotions about Caitlyn Jenner / Bruce Jenner running for governor in California. Kind of like my ex-wife going off a cliff in my new Maserati. I have mixed emotions about that. Very knowledgeable. And my mixed emotions stem from the fact that she is a Republican. At least she's a Republican. She supported Trump. Chris, I actually just got another one. That was my hesitation. So here's what I've got so far for a European session. And then I see there's a few things came in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 15 I've got so many in Australia and Europe. What about double the price? Okay. I got 15 guys. Everybody okay to pay $400 a month? I think that's a little steep, but I don't know. Maybe I'm worth it. One particular Sunday at church, the minister began his sermon with, "Dear Lord," with arms extended toward heaven and a rapturous look on his upturned face. "Without you, we are but dust." Very obedient daughter who was listening leaned over to her mother and asked quite audibly, her shrill little 4-year-old girl voice, "Mom, what is butt dust?" Cute. There's a joke. Listen, it can be slow, but good morning, Marco. Some of you live in an area of the world that's your normal morning, right? And even if it is slow, at $199 a month, how many trades do we need a month to pay for itself and make some extra money? I don't know. If I can find 1 a day or 2 a day, listen, I'm open to it. I'm open to it if I get enough people. I'm open to doing it. I know what I'm in for because I've done it before. But I need new shoes, so I'll do what I got to do. If anybody sold crude based on that trade this morning in member Skype, your first target is hit. Maybe 22 for a final target. It could blow that, but I don't think so. It could. Anybody short crude from the trade in Skype? Yeah. Okay, Rich, thank you. All right, guys. First target's off, fellas. First target is hit. I'll look. I mean, you guys can get aggressive if you want and hope for a sell off. I would think if we hit Pam's blue level down here, somewhere between 18 and 22, we're going to bounce. I've moved stop down to 40. Boom, 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 boom.
Target filled.
Here's your 22 final target, unless you want to milk it and see what you can get. It could blow. Not bad, guys. 3 contract trade, 92 ticks. Say that out loud. They'll come back down, guys. I promise you. They'll come back down. Here's the NASDAQ. I can't get anything on NASDAQ. Right? So, I mean, we are. Good morning, Don. All right, let's see if we can get a sell on the close here for a small trade. All right, it just filled. I'm lagging. My indicator's showing up 1700. I'm lagging.
Target filled.
Here we go. I can't even move the stop. I can't even close the trade. I did no. I didn't I just turned them on. I'm lagging. I can't trade anyways. My DOM is frozen. That's how much volume we have. There we go. Out. Yeah, I mean, there's a ton of volume. I told you if we miss, we go higher. If it was a big beat, which they were expecting, we were going to sell. Damn nice trade, Greg. DAX is barely moving, which is interesting. NASDAQ, I'm staying the hell away from. Crude should get a bid off this. Free money, guys. Free money. What's better than free money? Well, if I got some, it'd be better, but. Where would I buy NASDAQ on a pullback? Right now, shoot. This last 5-minute candle is so damn big. Like 233,000, Brian, something stupid. 266 versus they were looking for almost 1 million. 266. Academy's in great shape. So let's few obviously people aren't working. Gas prices are staggeringly high. The dollar is probably about zero, almost worthless. Food prices are getting to be prohibitive. You guys remember when you were in kindergarten and you made those paper mache globes and stuff? People will be eating that freaking paste. Can't afford food. It's the same thing everywhere. There was an article in the paper here, Pam, that restaurants can't hire, restaurants can't hire anybody. Jimmy Carter can't run for president. He's too busy building Habitat for Humanity. All right, guys. I think we've slowed down enough that we can. Let's see. I'm going to have to look at order flow to see if I even have. I mean, this may not even look. My order flow is I can't even keep up. Can't keep up. Yeah, I'm behind. I can't keep up. Your wife saw an ad for truck drivers, 14,000 a week. That can't be right, Jim. 1,400, not 14,000. At $14,000 a week, I'm going to be driving a truck. That's $600,000 a year. Somebody sign me up for that. All right, let's buy the clothes. Somebody sign me up for that. 14 G's a week? Shoot. Can't be. What's the catch? There's got to be a catch. It's 14,000 a week because you're carrying cocaine from Mexico. There's got to be a catch. There's a catch. No truck drivers getting 14 grand a week. Everybody would be in Texas. All right, we got the long here. And right into a short. No, I'm lagging. Obviously lagging. I'm 6 minutes behind. 6 minutes behind.
Order
6 minutes behind. I mean, it's still executing the trade at what the price, No, it's not my computer. It's Ninja. I mean, I can shut down and restart if I have to. Greg, Brian, I have no idea. I mean, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, guys. Give me 1 second. And RB is long on the new indicator. As is crude oil on the new indicator. So crude and our gasoline going together. Okay. DAX is trying to bid. Gasoline a couple ticks from that first target. Yeah, 67 may stop it. There's first target on RB, fellas. By the way, by Monday, Joel should have an auto trail strategy. He's working on auto trail now. I mean, I'm still looking for the bounce up. We're probably coming down to 55. Back down to 1300 delta. DAX is kind of languishing here at 42. So we're in at 37. Let's try to get 47 for target 1, 10 handles, and then a free trade. RB is good. Crude is good. Guys, what we don't get in pre-market, we'll get when the market opens. Look at gold, 1842. And I tried to buy it yesterday at 90. Came to 92. Come on down, just a little lower. Missed target here by 2 ticks on DAX, 2 ticks. Gasoline's going. Come on down to 55. Come on. Here comes that initial area at about 67. I really would love to see 675. That would be a trade for the day. I don't know that it gets there, but yeah, I'm at 33, just below Pam's orange dots. Yeah, on NQ for the long, 675. I don't think that it gets there. I think it's longs here, but my stop would have to be 23. That's 60 handles. 60, not for me. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. DAX is came 2 ticks from target and is sitting. There goes DAX. Come on, buddy. One more candle. Come on, buddy. There it is. Oh, look at this. I'm not look. There it is. First target filled on the DAX. Got an open runner. Same as RB. Got an open runner. Crude, I'm not looking at a chart, so let me see here. Yeah, 30 to 32 is a problem. So let's take 27 from 12. 15 ticks on the first 2. I'm trailing RB at about 3 standard deviations from the entry at 930. Stop is at 959. If you guys have never traded RB before, it's $4 and I think 25 cents a tick. DAX, I got it at break even and an open runner. It can go for the day. That's funny.
Target fills.
My chart background, crude got first target, fellas. Now it has an open. No, it doesn't have an open runner. I'm trying to get up to 75, 64.75 on CL. Rick, it's light gray. Guys, you have a hard time seeing my charts? Light gray? Okay. Okay. Anybody that has the breakout indicator, if you guys want my templates, I'll send them to Joel. Okay, DAX is now doing its job. We've got resistance here at 372. Anybody long any of these fellas? RB, FDAX, or CL? Okay. I'll put stop at 17 on CL, locked in 4. And RB is pulling back. Okay, good, Tommy. Good. All right, out on RB. That'll probably do it for me until the market reopens. Let's see what I can find here. If I had to take a trade, it would be shorts, but we'll get them at the open, guys. We'll get them. We'll get them. Goldman Sachs. Listen, just looking at order flow, right? Just taking a look at order flow. We've only traded 107,000 contracts. All right. With 1,250 net buyers. There's not a lot of volume here, guys. This humongous 5-minute candle on the up move, 15-minute candle, I think is nothing more than some retail buyers, and they tore up stops. I don't think it's anything more than that. We'll see. Yeah, exactly. Trust Goldman Sachs as far as you can throw them. They'd never mislead their clients. All right, that's done. Never. They wouldn't do that. All right, so we're at 763. We're going to retrace at least half of this candle, right? So if I pull out my Fibonacci indicator and I coordinate that with GPS, it's a very accurate indicator. Nobody even laughed. I threw out GPS. Right, moon phases, Chinese birth signs. We should retrace. I don't use Fibonacci. The only time I use Fibonacci is when I was projecting. I was using extensions when we were at highs, all-time highs. I had nothing to go by. And shoe size, exactly. Shoe size. Shoe size is actually a very little known trading indicator, which is an interesting phenomenon. Yeah, listen, here's what you have to understand about firms like Goldman Sachs and all of them, right? We are retail traders. We're retail traders. Oh, now I'm going to keep going, Chris. You shouldn't have told me to stop. We're retail traders. They're wholesale. They make their money trading. By the time some idiot at a desk calls you up and says, buy 100 shares of IBM, they've owned IBM. They're selling it. Wholesale and retail are wholly an opposite. Wholly an opposite. All right, guys. I've just been letting this minutia go. But let's see what we can do here. There goes crude. Stop too tight on crude. Crude's going higher, guys. 74 if you're still in it. Oh, God, it's 9 o'clock. Guys, I'm going to go quickly eat my breakfast. Thank you, Chris. You just told me that because you want me to stop making you laugh. So I stopped annoying your wife. All right, here's VWAP, 98. All right, if I'm lagging, I'm lagging. I mean, nothing I can do about it, guys. I don't believe I'm lagging. Maybe you're lagging.
Order submitted.
76. That's what I got. We All right, if I'm lagging, I'm lagging. It doesn't do any good, guys. There's nothing I can do. Your entry is 76. I don't care if it's at 104 or 12 right now. The entry is 76. Stop is going to be 51. Doesn't matter where I'm at. All that matters is you know the entry. 51, stop. 51. Okay? Second target will be 96. And first target is going to be, no, second target's going to be 17. 717. First target is going to be 95. I have no idea if my price is accurate. Guys are telling me it is not. My stop is 51. Yeah, this is okay. First target is 95, or as you see fit. Second target is 17 to a half. If you guys want, risk off, take it off. Again, if I'm lagging, I'm lagging. I have no idea. I know it hasn't gone to 95 yet. If you guys want to take money, take money. It's your prerogative. This has to get above 88, 89. Okay, yeah, it's got to get above 89. That I can see. Right here. If that breaks, this thing goes a mile. Yeah, I see it. If it breaks, it goes a mile. If you guys want to take money, take money. It's MNQ just hit 89 again and rejected. If we get through 89, this goes a mile. There are no buyers. There are no buyers. 950 net sellers. I have no buyers at this point, fellas. None. We're either going to break lower or break back up in the direction we came. If we get above 89, this is off to the races. So trade them as you see fit. Yesterday's high was 611. We could come to 611. We're not getting any bounce. We got a bounce to 89 from 75, 76. Did not go to stop. We know what our resistance is. Got to get above 89 and say goodbye. Say goodbye to a little friend. All sell pressure, 1,200 net sellers. There are no buyers. None. They still can't drive it any lower. Stop is 51. I gave you the stop beforehand. It's on the screen. Come on, you stink rat bag, stink face. Get above it. Get above that 89 and go like the wind.
Order filled.
Ruh-roh. Uh-oh. Come on, dog. You are a suckhole. Guess where? 89. I mean, you can take a short with a 90 stop, but uh-oh. 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 Come on, dog. Come on. There we go. 76 to 95. Almost 20 handles. Not quite. Got 93. Almost 20 handles. Come on. Come on, rat bag. Come on, rat bag. Target one filled. Boo, yeah, baby. Boo, yeah, baby. There we go. Target two, 17. I may have to adjust that. Nah, I'm going to leave that, rat dog. 17. Target two, 17. Go play golf, fellas. Hit them straight, gentlemen. Hit them straight. And ladies, hit them straight. Oh, man. There it is, 17. I'm done. That's it. That's my day. 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 Free trade, fellas, all the way. Wherever it goes, it goes. It's free. 55. 55. I have an open runner. Open runner. All right, guys. So I took this trade live with micros. Nice job, Chris. $10,000 trade. I took it live with micros, guys. 3 micros on the breakout indicator. Filled me at 84. Okay. Almost a $300. Nice job, James. 6,500. I still got a runner going, guys. So I got a $1,200 runner going. On micros, $325 on 3 contracts on the new indicator. Done for the day, guys. That's it. Anybody panic, sell the sucker? Anybody panic and close it out?
Order filled.
I'll take that on micros. Nice. I closed it out at 235. It's going higher. It's just now let's get order flow. Nice job, Keith. All right, guys. So we still have a small negative delta. Where would we want to be long for a bounce-a-roni? Let's see what we get. Stack buyers here are block buyers 28. I don't see. Okay, here's our size. You got big sellers here and big buyers here at 32. That's all the size I see. Guys, I am not closing this trade, so nice job, Don. 2 times daily goal. So let me ask you guys, did anybody panic and close the trade? Anybody panic and close the trade? Nice job, Paul, over daily goal. Okay, closed at VWAP, okay. Computer crashing issues, there's nothing you can do. I mean, that's nice job, Brad. 2 times daily goal, 1 and done. Nice job, Mark. Guys, so I'm going to go back to, I forgot who said that John took a loss. I don't know how you guys can take a loss on a stop, fellas. I have no idea how you can take a loss on a stop when I gave it before the trade. In fact, I was adamant that I didn't care where price was. Nice job, Marco. I said, I don't care if I'm lagging. I'm telling you the entry. I gave the stop verbally. Nice job, Dave. Panic and sold the stop, sold it for $1,000 profit. I gave it verbally, and then it's on the screen. There is no, how do you take a loss on that? I don't know how I can be more clear, fellas. Nice job, Fahim. Okay. Okay. Guys, you should be focused on what I'm doing as you're going through this learning curve, right? Some of you are in order flow. Unless you think you know more than me, and that may be, maybe you do know more than me. I don't know. Unless you think you know more than me, then you should be focused on me, not doing your own thing. That's just a word of advice. All right, guys, I'm out. That was a $3,235 trade for me. One and done. 32.35. One and done. Do we need any more trades? Support is 60. I'll take it. One trade. Missed everything else across the board. You asked me about gold. What do I see on GC? Gold for me is a 21 long. 21 long. I'm not calling anybody out. And John, I am not calling you out at all. I'm just saying, pay attention to what I'm saying. It was a 76 with a 51 stop, right? 25 points. Done for the day, up 3,900. Nice job, Johan. Have a blessed weekend. All right, so let's play around now. Anybody that may not have taken the trade, maybe you got scared. I don't know. Maybe you were, Bob doesn't know what the hell he's doing. They're selling it like crazy. He's looking for a long. Didn't take the trade. Maybe you stopped out, wrong stop, whatever. I'll find you guys trades. So everybody just relax, take a breath if you need trades. Okay? I'll find you some trades. Everybody just breathe, man. Breathe. Got a negative delta. So we're stuck basically at support about that 75 area. What 15-minute bot, James? Which one? I don't have a 15-minute NQ bot. There's no 15-minute NQ bot that I use. Three-minute with 15-minute time frame. Did not take a trade. It's right there. I don't have it on, but what trade did it take? Tell me what trade it took. Let me open that up for you. Tell me what trade it took. That was a 25-point stop. Yep. What trade? It took this long at 8:30. I mean, it far exceeded targets. What trade? MNQ? I don't know. I do not know. I don't run MNQ. MNQ. Let me see. Whoop. 06-21. Why the hell is that telling me invalid name? Hang on. I'm looking at it. Hang on, James. It said invalid instrument. MNQ-06-21. Come on, bot. I'm waiting for it to load. Here's what it's doing, calculating. All right, guys, listen. Let me see what I can find here. Hang on, fellas. Hang on. We got a long. You got a long. I missed it. Damn it. Right off VWAP. The buyers are all in here. Block buyer here. Damn it. It's longs, fellas. Okay, so here's MNQ, James. You have somehow done something wrong, I would assume, in your setup. Because if you look at this MNQ robot, there is only one trade. It's the same trade as NQ. There is no other trade that could have fired for you. So it is not this robot. I would suggest that you may have another NASDAQ bot on that you are unaware of? Are you running multiple NASDAQ bots? Are you running multiple NASDAQ bots? No. Okay. Yeah, I don't know then, honestly, how it could have taken a trade. There's no trade. All right, we got a 178 seller here. All right, guys, let me see when the next candle is. 4 minutes. I'm looking for longs here. We're above VWAP. I'm not looking for shorts, guys. Yeah, it's a good thing because I mean, I don't trade RTY ever again in this lifetime. I'll leave that for Chris.
Bot.
I told you it's longs.
3 minutes.
Who's longs, fellas? Who's long at NASDAQ? Who's long? I said long NASDAQ. Okay. Here's what I got as a target. Let me get rid of this bot. We've got a double top at 27. 27 has to break. Okay? 27 is our problem area right up here. It one ticked it on the 5 minute, but it's this piece of work, man. It's coming back into VWAP. But look at our deltas decreasing. That's interesting. It's increasing small. Stop is 61. I mean, I can give you a slightly better stop, 77. Still want 20 handles. Nice job, James. Stop is 77. We're just parked. Fahim, let me ask a stupid question. Are you not using an ATM of any kind? You guys have to have an ATM. I mean, God forbid Russia invaded France. I don't know. Wouldn't be hard to do. I got 23 seventh graders that could invade France, but be that as it may. You guys are a tough crowd today. Man, not even a chuckle. Chris isn't even laughing. I'm trying to get you to laugh so your wife gets mad again, Chris. If we get through 27, this goes bananas. Through 27, it goes bananas. It's just consolidating in here, fellas. Yeah, I know why you want to buy a French rifle. Never fired, dropped once. I know. It's an old joke. Come on, man. You got to get up earlier than that. My brother's piping in with the funnies. That's old. That's older than you. We got through 27. This should go, fellas. 55 is my target. If you are in it and you have the 77 stop, I would consider taking some risk off. That's your prerogative. But 55 is where this is going. Guys, we should see the high of the day again. That's funny, Lee. Guys, this is long. It's not short. Lee said the French are already looking for someone to surrender to. Maybe they can go back to Vietnam. There you go, guys. Booyah, baby. Now we got to take this swing. Guys, if you didn't make money today, I don't know what to tell you. 55 next target. 55 next target. And it stops at 53. Yeah, scumbag. Here comes 55. 55, 55, 54, 50. I missed by 2 ticks from 50 ticks ago, 50 points ago. I'll take that. No, Doug. Absolutely not. No, my stop would now be about 21.50. 21. Did you take it, John? Daily target hit. You're welcome, Fahim. Good job. Nice job, brother. Keith, you have a good weekend as well. Nice job, Chad. Well, I mean, I can one and done. Nice job, Derek. Guys, this is the way to do it. It's like your MTV. Money's for nothing. Money is for nothing and the chicks for free. Nice job, John. All right, let's see if we can get a pullback. Guys, this is our buy zone. I mean, this is where you want to be long, right here, right? This is our buy. I mean, this is all a buy zone, but look at this area in here, down through 37. That should have held. I'm really amazed that we dropped down through that. You know, we could theoretically hold the bottom. I mean, this whole area is a buy zone, right? All the way down through here. That's a really deeper pullback than I would have thought. You're welcome. You're welcome, Lee. Guys, and I tried it. We're longs, fellas. We're longs. We're not shorts. We're longs. This is not a short, guys.
3 minutes.
Do not.
Long Nasdaq. 3 minutes.
We have to get through. If we get through that doji at 60, this thing is going straight to 899. Call it 900. It'll be a 900 day, I think. Big gap up in the Qs. So we got a gap on the top and the gap on the bottom. I'm not interested in shorts, guys. We're still in this buy zone. It's a big one, but and it sold off further than I thought it would. I really thought it would have held up in here, but it's still a buy. So let's see what I can get for you here. Hang on. I need a pullback. We're consolidating here. I got to get a pullback. Gold did not pull back to my 21. Gold is headed to 45.50, 18.50. I don't know where silver is. Yeah, silver's headed up to 27, maybe to 20. We might get 27,800. Silver has to break $30 and it's gone for good. All right, guys. I would take this on a long, again, on a pullback if we could get 18. 18. I don't know that we do. But 18 would be where I like it. 18, 19.
Order submitted.
Let me see what that number is. Hang on. Yeah, it could come to 17, but it may not. I mean, this thing may just zoop-de-doo. So should it come back to 19, 19 half, that area, 18, right?
Long Nasdaq. 3 minutes.
Should it do that?
Long Micro Nasdaq.
Should it do that?
3 minutes.
Give some consideration to the fact that it is Friday. I don't trade much longer on Fridays, maybe another half hour, 45 minutes. If you are well up, have made your money, especially if you've hit your daily goal, and you're still intent on taking risk, consider sizing down. Right? You don't want one trade to blow up your day. Now, if this fills, my stop is going to be 75. I can probably get a better stop, but I'm going to start with a bigger stop. You're welcome, Paul. All right, so we're filled. So my stop is going to be all the way down here. Here it is on the screen. My first target, 29.5, right at the averages, right? Got to work through this sell zone. It's a big seller imbalance in here. Come on, dog. All right, Alistar. See you next week, Allie. Nice job. Come on, buddy. One more candle and we're good to go. There we go. Come on. Oh, don't you pull back. You know you're buying me. Come on. Come get me. Come get me. And then I'm going to move that 34. Oh, you suck. Small sellers in here. Come on, NASDAQ. When's my next candle? 3.5 minutes. We're pulling VWAP up. We may get a reversal. Come on, get up there. I'm not ready to kill this thing yet, but come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. One more candle. We should be good. Got a break here, guys. 27 is our pain in the neck again. We've been here once before with 27. If you want to take risk off, take some risk off. Get it on runners. Your prerogative. There it goes. Done. Done. Bye. Target 1 filled.
3 minutes.
Bye.
Long micro NASDAQ. 3 minutes.
Money is for nothing and the chicks for free. You may want to take some risk off. I will not let this come back. If it's target 1 only, it's target 1 only. I'm out. Done. 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 I don't think it's going to sell, fellas. It's Friday. Did you take that trade, John? He left before he could answer. Okay. Anybody take that trade, guys? I still think it's a good trade. I just don't like this sloppy little price action, but hold them if you want to. I still think it's longs. I'll take scalps all day. Puts me at 38.40. Yeah, I think for you guys that are still holding, I'll tell you where your next target is. Your next target is up here at 49.57.5 area. Okay, Rich. 49.57.5. I don't know why it's a lackluster trade. Yeah, that's good. I mean, it's fine. It's good. Let it slow down. God, gold. Just redunculous. Guys, honestly, I haven't even had the ability to play with I haven't even had the ability to play with our new indicator. It was such a banana day.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're slowing down, but look at our delta increasing significantly. It's increasing, guys. You don't want to be short. If you're short, you're going to get gazoomed. The new indicator is amazing. I haven't even had time to play with it. I've been focused on NASDAQ, which, guys,
15 minutes. Bot. Long NASDAQ. 3 minutes. Bot. Long micro NASDAQ. 3 minutes.
NASDAQ's long, guys. Nice job, Gary. Have a great weekend, guys. 33 is the next break. If you guys want another trade,
Order submitted.
if you guys are intent on a trade,
Order filled.
there it is. There it is. Let me get this the heck out of here. Don't you come back down. Come on, buddy. This has to get up through 52, which is our target. Boy, this is pissing me off.
Order filled.
What filled where?
Order filled. Stop filled. Target filled.
Target filled on what? I'm frozen. Chart and frozen. All right, Caleb. Have a good weekend. Have a safe flight to London. All right, guys. We got a short on RB. If you trade RB, first target's off already. So I have an open runner on RB.
Long Russell.
And we have a short. We have a short on crude. We have a short on crude. This damn NASDAQ is just chunking around. Where's my DAX? Oh, there it is. Guys, I still don't have it a short. It's not a short, guys. That was a stop run. See you in an hour, James, or two, I guess.
Order filled.
All right, get rid of that.
Order filled.
Get rid of that. Boy, that was a steeper pull, but yeah, I should have used 92 as a stop. It's longs, guys. This is not shorts, fellas. This is not shorts.
Order filled.
All right, let me see what I can get. Do not want to be short, guys. If this gets through 55, it's over. It's just a function of time, guys, and it's going to blow. If you guys are willing to hold a position. Oh, Lord. We're back up to 900 buyers. It is not short. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Okay, Mac. Patience of a saint. This guy. Okay, Marco. Okay, fellas. There's no short here. It is not short. That last pullback was just a stinking stop run. Well, we got to get above 55. Call it 59. 55 is it's going to go above 59, which is that one standard deviation, and you're going to trade this back into the highs of the day over 800. This could go 900 today. I mean, this is going to be a monster, I believe. Any thoughts on where ES is headed? ES broke out, and I just missed an entry on ES back at 12, but let's see here. ES 42.35. I tried to buy the ES yesterday, and I got cute with my entry. I wanted to buy 55. I think it came to 60. Ninja back up and running. Missed all the fun. Now I got to find some trades. Yeah. I don't like. See you at noon, Frank. Good day. I don't like Ninja. I mean, I get frustrated with Ninja. Period. And then Ninja has the audacity to blame everything on third-party indicators. Crock of baloney. All right, guys. I'm looking to put a trade on, but I don't know where to get in. I can't get a pullback. Freezing, Todd? Guys, above 59, this thing is going to go nuts. And there's our second target that I gave you guys. 52. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Next target, 71. Next target, 70. 1,400 buyers now, guys. Qs are free to get to 38.52, $3. This can go a long ways. High of the day is 819. I would now start targeting 804. 804. See if we can get I have nowhere to get in. This small buy zone here, but there's 56 seconds. Let's see what we get on the next candle. We're above the point of control, right? $850, I think, today, guys, give or take. $850. That's where I think we head. When's this next 17 seconds? 14 seconds. On the next candle, I'll look for the long here, this zone. I mean, I get it. I'm not chasing it. I'll buy it, 58. I'm not going to get it. Got your next target. You guys can start. 55 is going to be support. I'll take it at 59 with a relatively large stop.
Order submitted.
May not get there. You dog. Got to 62. Guys, this is a buy. This is if you're still holding.
Order canceled.
If you're still holding.
Order filled.
If you're still, I'm above the 68. So now I want to trade it to the 95. If you're still holding, you know, it's a large stop, guys. This is a hold. Next 15-minute candle in 3 minutes, and we've got to get above 84. This is a hold, though. So, I mean, I'm in above the 68 now. I've got to trade it up. Two and 3 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. If it gets above 84, it's going to 800 quickly. Yeah, we're just hanging out here at the 68, guys. Next 15-minute candle in a minute 46. This is going higher. That's why I'm not scalping at it. Got a high volume node here we're going to have to cross at 80. But I want this. We're coming up here. You know, maybe you get a pullback. I don't know. But I'm waiting for the next 15-minute candle in a minute 15 seconds, guys. Unfinished auction at 697.75 on the MNQ. Well, the MNQ looks like it's going to trade 98 and 11. Do I have this is going to trade 860. "15 seconds to the next 15-minute candle. Support is about that 55 level. One, zero, new 15-minute. Come on, break the previous 15 at 78 and let's go. Stack buyers. There we go. Dun, da, 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 da. Dun, da, 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 da. Come on, let's go. Pump up the jam. Pump it up. You guys want to take risk off? Your prerogative. The next candle to get through is 84, and we hit 84. Got to get through 84 on the 15-minute. That's right. Pump up the jam. I got that, Don. I got the beat, man. I got it. Anybody that's not in the room and may listen to my videos on YouTube or something has got to think that dude is nuts. That dude is nuts. Got to get above that point of control at 80. I'll feel a lot better about that. Let's get above 80. I don't like being stuck at 80. And then we got to get 84. 84. Guys, I did not focus on the new indicator today. It's still up 1935. My focus was on order flow trading, given the news we had. I still believe this is going much higher, but we really need to get above 80 and then clear that 84. We get above this swing here, 85, and this thing is bad to the bone to 800. Have a good weekend, Jeff. Guys, at this point, is there anybody that has not made money? Do I have anybody losing money? Is there anybody losing real money? I don't care about sim. I should not have anybody that did not make money today. All right, Fahim. Well, if you haven't made any because of computer issues, that's, that's the same. You didn't lose. Get back above the point of control. We got buyers. We got 1,900 buyers. Looks like we're consolidating, trying to work off a little bit of overbought, but trade them as you see fit, guys. I mean, a pullback to 730 would be an optimal entry. There we go. Back above point of control. Take out 84. We hit 84. I mean, I don't know that this is so much a trend day because we've had back and forth trading. Got to get above 80, that swing, guys, at 85. If that breaks, we should scoot quickly. We should scoot. Maybe I'll have the Noft guys teach me how to trade order flow. What do you think? Think they'll let me in their class? Boop, bye. Doot, 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 doot. Bop, bop. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Told you. I told you got to break 95 and we go. We go. Man, I love Friday. Actually, you know what, Greg? I hate weekends, man. I mean, I can find a million things to do, but I would much rather be trading. My name is Bob, and I'm an addict. Hell, you're the one that made $1.5 million, not me. Yeah, Monday, by Sunday afternoon, I'm jonesing. I'm fishing tomorrow. Get through 96. You can have my 3. Guys, we have so much fun in this room, and we do so well, it's ridiculous. Here's a $3,000 trade. I told you where it was going. We're knocking on 799. I think we could see 900 today. I'm not joking. 900. 900. High of the day is 17. 900, I think we could see. There we go, fellas. Nice job, Mac. You are very welcome, Mac. And I'll talk to you soon. I want to talk to you about our stuff. Roland is up $5,040 on the new indicator in Sim. We'll take Sim, buddy. That's a great day. Yes, your friend, Magnus. Yes. Well, if you find a master, let me know. That's a great phrase, Don. All right, guys. That's a great phrase. Get a job, go to work, lose money. It's good. Guys, that should have helped everybody. Anybody not making money today? Do I have anybody that's down? Listen, let me rephrase that. If you didn't trade because you had computer issues, you didn't lose money. You didn't make money. You're welcome, Brian. Everybody made money again, right? Anybody have their best ever week? Here's 11. Anybody have their best ever week? Told you we're going to 800, fellas. We're going to take out the high of the day. Won't be long. All right, fellas. So I did not run bots today. Nice job, Brian. I did not run any bots today, guys. I just didn't have the bandwidth. Very nicely. Very nice. So we have one trader that had their best ever week. Guys, I just did not have the bandwidth to monitor the volatility in the NASDAQ that we had today, run bots, and play with the new indicator much. But so the bots did 0 today. I never turned them on. The new indicator in Sim did 1935.34. Now Roland did over 5,000. I just did a few trades. They're just, again, I can only do so much. But I did do a micro trade, 3 micro contracts live for 235.50 on the MNQ. Okay? But to put that in perspective, 235.50 on 3 micro contracts times 3 is about $700 a contract. If I would have traded my normal accoutrement of minis, that's a $4,200 trade, right? But I know the indicator works. I'm comfortable with it. I did find something out today. You don't definitely something filled. Well, we got a trade on the DAX. Okay. Obviously, I had something pending. Good to know. Let's see if the DAX wants to come down a little bit. NASDAQ is rolling over exactly. Look at MNQ off of Pam's red level. I mean, almost to the tick, maybe to the tick. $869 is the red level on the NQ. Anybody have any questions, fellas? You're very welcome. Gary made 2,200. Nice job. I just had another member email me 2 today. I'm working on it, Patrick. I got to get at least 20. I got to. And right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've got 16. Yes, you're on the list. I have 16 right now that would do Europe. I'll send out another email this weekend. If I can get 5, 6 more, we're in. Hey, Ron. You're very welcome. You funded your account on Wednesday and another 50 Thursday. And you ended up plus 1,600, which made up nice. What lot for the losses? See you next week, Ron. Have a blessed weekend. Thank you so much for letting me know that. Tell Chris to pay the balance for 4. Chris. Gary, you want to do a European session? Is that what you're saying? Which would start about 4 a.m. Eastern. Is that what you're saying? Greg, you trade all night. What are you talking about? You're welcome, Jacques. See you, Ray. 4 a.m. Eastern. Yes. It will be another room fee. It will be $199 a month, just so you know. Nice job, Dana. Closed MNQ for 1,025. How many contracts? You too, Jacques. 6 contracts. Nice job. All right, I'll put Gary on there. Just so you know, I mean, guys, it's it's $199 a month. It's a separate room. It's not this room. It'll be a separate link. Markets open at 9:30. Jeff, I've never changed that. I've never changed that. Although you can probably, and again, my reasoning for not turning bots on prior to the room open is I want to come in at 0. Well, in the European session, we will surely watch the DAX. We will watch gold, which trades really well in the European session, and the NASDAQ if there's trades. But gold tends to trade better in the European session than it does ours. So let me do this. Boy, we're getting slow. Let's see. 73. Let's go to 63. See if we can get 10 points on the DAX on a pullback here. If you guys are in Friday's group, order flow group, the link has been sent. If you do not have it, email me.